The final thoughts, Daniel. Task number 5. You may have been told in school that there are good sources and bad sources of information. That may be true when it comes to essays and referencing information. However, it's my pleasure to state that it does not apply here. Any information can potentially be useful. So feel free to use blogs, Wikipedia, or anything else that contains what you're looking for. Blogs especially can often be very valuable for learning what it comes to information security, as many security researchers keep a blog, which is really true. GitHub is also a super good source of informazione. Having completed this room, you hopefully now have established the basis of a methodology to tackle research questions that you come across by yourself. The vast majority of rooms on TryHackMe can be solved purely using knowledge found on Google. So please take the opportunity to improve your skills by Googling any problems you come across. As a follow-up to this room, complete Simnetics Google Docking, a room to learn some advanced Google tricks. Answer the questions below. Research complete. My favorite question. We learned here about the ExploitDB. If you search by Google hacking database, you can just check a lot of Google Dorking syntax, let's say, in order to find some. For instance, here you see the category. You can search for juicy files. And just basically information that you can find extra information about the target that you have. But we'll run through that at a different time. For instance, here we see in title. We can use this actually in Chrome, in the Google engine. In the search engine, we can use in title, right? So we can find, to be easier than this, we can find, for instance, if we're searching for a job, we can say on Google in title penetration tester. Here you can see from LinkedIn, we found LinkedIn keyword, and then again, keywords in the title should be penetration tester. Here we can see from LinkedIn anything with penetration tester. We can be much more specific than this, and we will do it on TryHackMe. Okay, cool.